Abusia medin the war prophet Gideon for you exceeded. Nothing would too much time here to get to go. And crophobia my papa ye asa ewo abrabom. And crophobia my papa ye asa ewo iriase. Edikan fu ni paboni phobia ya my papa ye asa. And ne adia e koso wo wiase ne se uturu obi akohwe nkwa. No nipa na e dwen se ono be turu akohwe wuo. And now what says it in Suma will be no more. What's an idea of the bed that was a makusam? Papa ye asa. Or the way you be papaya no washing ye watching. And yet your number one thing as in Nara and ye papa. A beau would deserve was or be number one thing as serre. A beau would deserve was a ria air bocata bay will be Gino traffic with your tongue, dear. Fanny Brefie, a money drianini, manatare papa and share, Nasha as da what the bed down. Papa yas sound. We bet me a cophobia if you could say, and then tia papa is a there so banshee. Ne, but the money semina papa ninku papa, a jaria sera. The obedient dana say a nim guasie. Although, bon hoso, no show whom could I watch it. Kakrane kita ono bo ho mpaye e kire bade se won hira wo entamuma obi nkase me boa no no so akai me se de mi kaka ye no ni papa passa tayama wani na ho e bade hira wo within the war prophet Gideon for years do not fame with too much stay blessed.